What's good, man? It's DJ Pretty Boy Reezy, my little blog spot, YouTube, you know, when I, hold on real quick. Alright. Just want to do a little couple plugs, man. Make sure you follow your boy on Twitter, DJ_Reezy Goes Ham. Once again, that's DJ_Reezy Goes Ham. And once again, like I always say on the mixtapes, they say that for a motherfucking reason. Because the boy goes ham. Shout out to Ham Entertainment. Shout out to Quality Street Music out there. If you got Facebook, look me up on Facebook. It's facebook.com/IamReezy2. IamReezy2. Let's see. Hit up my blog spot. DJ Pretty Boy Reezy. That's B-O-I, not B-O-Y. B-O-I, no B-O-Y. .blogspot.com. Once again, DJ Pretty Boy Reezy .blogspot.com. You can download all my mixtapes from there. You can also, if you want to go to datpiff.com, which is where I'm transferring everything to, go to datpiff.com/Reezy for you, and that's Reezy number 4, you, the letter. So holler at me there. I'm just working right now, grinding, man. Like I've been posting, man. I've been getting booked a lot. So I mean, if you want, you can host your mixtape or host your party, whatever you want me to do. Hit me up ASAP, man. Email me at djpbreezy@gmail.com. Once again, that's djpbreezymp3@gmail.com. If you need a DJ, man, go ahead and book me 615-878-7280. Thank you for fucking with me. KY Tennessee, salute.